So we have what looks like a buttonhole, sort of, and we've just joined in the round. This is round 1, and the instructions say to knit 1, which by knitting these 2 together we have, and then knit front and back. So knit, and then knit into the back of the stitch. That's going to give us 1 increase. All right, and then knit until you have 2 stitches left on this first needle. Here are the last 2 stitches on the needle. Knit front and back. I keep splitting this yarn. This is not the yarn that comes in the kit. I should probably change that, but here we are. Okay, and then knit 1. So we've used up all the stitches on this needle. The empty needle goes into your right hand, and then we're going to keep working on this needle because we haven't worked these stitches yet. So we're still on round 1. We're going to knit 1, knit front and back, knit to the last 2 stitches on the needle, knit front and back again, and then knit 1. Okay, so that round 1 and all odd rounds of the toe are increase rounds. And now we're going to do round 2, and all the even rounds of the toe are plain rounds. So now you're going to knit each of these stitches plain, just knit, knit, knit. So there are 10 stitches here, and then you'll turn and knit these 10 stitches. So we've gone from 16 to 20. And then when you do round 3, you'll have 24 after you've increased.